104 rupees or 105 rupees because the bank
Sir,
is paying you interest.
paying you interest. Sir, do you like saving in a piggy bank or in the bank?
In the bank.
So you like bank? My father also.
Yes, because the bank is paying money, extra 5 rupees every year just for keeping the money in their account.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, it's clear.
So now what would you prefer to do? Would you prefer to keep the money in your piggy bank or you prefer to keep it in your bank account?
I think in the bank account.
Yes, that's smart.
I also choose that because I also want to get not 100. I want to earn 105. If they are giving 5 more, so 105 it will be.
Yes. If you then what will happen is that you will get 105 rupees. And if you are kept at home, you'll get only 100 rupees. So what is better?
Bank.
Bank, yes. And then next year, the 105 rupees will become 110 rupees. The bank will give you an extra 5 rupees again next year.
But sir,
Yes.
when my father doesn't keep in a piggy bank, he need money, he will never ask us. What will he do? He will not my mother or me. He will go to the bank and the bank's money he's wasting. But near my God is a piggy bank. It is full almost. Do you have a piggy bank at your home?
No, I don't have a piggy bank at my home. So it is better, as I said, to keep in the bank account. Yeah. Then then when you want the money back, you can go to the bank and take out the money.
Yes, when you need the money, you can go to the bank and take out the money which you have put in.
Yes, in your account.
In your account.
Yes. So next year, how much will that do? Now you got 100 rupees. At the end of the year, how much money will you have?
Maybe 500 or...
No. You will have 105 or maybe 106.
Oh, I would not like those. They are too less. I would like 500.
No, nobody is going to give you 500.
I know that.
Okay.
They will not give.
So they will give you either 104, maybe 105 or 106, depending on the interest rate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then next year, at the end of the year, so let's say in January, you deposit 100 rupees. Then after 12 months in December, it will become 105. Okay.
Oh, 105.
Yeah. And then after 1 year, so December, now after 1 more year, next December, it will become 110. And you get, so you will have earned 10 rupees.
Oh,
and then in 3 years, after 3 years, it will become 115.
Oh, 115.
Yes.
120.
Yeah, exactly. So the longer the time you keep it in the bank, the better it is, right?
Yes, it's better.
Yes. So this is called investment.
Investment.
Yeah. So when you're saving the money for a long period of time, that is called investment.
Okay, investment. Understood, sir. Investment.
Very good. Now, this is a difficult topic, right? So now we'll talk about something easier. All right. Because this topic is really difficult.
Yes, it's for adults.
Exactly. So, okay, now tell me, who's your favorite best friend? Let's talk about your best friend. Who's your best friend?
Aradhya.
Okay, so tell me about her. What do you like about her? What don't you like about her?
about her. I like everything about her. She helped me. We both help each other.
Okay, so one second. You said she helped me, right? So
She
no, she doesn't help. She helps you.
She helps.
She helps, yes.
She helps me.
Yes. Okay.
Do you have any friends, sir?
No, I don't have any friends.
Oh, my father has so many friends.
Okay, very good. Okay, so what do you like about Aradhya?
So, when her birthday came, she gave, what did she give in her birthday?
I don't know.
I forgot, sir. A pencil.
Pencil?
It was a good pencil, and all the kids in the class use that pencil.
Okay.
And Aradhya go by van because her house is very
Aradhya what? Aradhya what?
all. She is a van student. My teacher always say that.
She's a bad student?
Not bad. Whenever when we are going home, so any ma'am will come. I don't know which ma'am will come, and he will say, "Send the van kids."
Send the blankets?
When my teacher said that.
No, I didn't understand, Ritika, what you're saying.
When you don't know, sir, when it's just like a car.
Van.
School van.
School van. Okay, yeah. Okay.
So she always, her house is very far away, and we both can't go to each other's house.
Okay.
Aradhya has many friends, and even I also have friends. He has many friends at school, and we